What's up everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my new 2020 MacBook Air. So a bird just flew into my window. Let's try that again. What's up everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of today's video, this is going to be an unboxing of my new 2020 MacBook Air. So I'm super excited to get into this video. I literally cannot wait to open my package and look at my brand new laptop. But before we do go any further, make sure that if you're not subscribed to my channel, you smash that subscribe button down below and make sure that you turn on the post notifications so that you're notified every time I post. Here's the box that it came in. Before I talk about the MacBook Pro, I just want to say that I am very impressed with how fast this was shipped to me. I purchased this yesterday at Best Buy. It wasn't the color that I wanted, was not available in the store, so I had to order it, and the woman ordered it for me at 6 p.m. yesterday, no lie. And it literally arrived at my house today at 1 p.m. So not even 24 hours before I got this laptop. So I just want to say that I really appreciate how fast this was delivered to me. I don't know if you guys will have to experience something like that, or if you're if the color that you want is not available in the store and you have to order it. I just want to put that out there, that the shipping, my shipping was very fast. I also want to say the amount of discipline it took me not to literally bust this thing open as soon as I got it, because I'm so excited for this. But yeah, I was like, let me be patient because I wanted to unbox it on camera with you guys. This is my first ever unboxing, so yeah. Alright, so this is how it looks. We can see my lights in the back. Thumbnail. Okay, so this is how it looks. You can see my lights like reflecting off of it. Sorry about that. It's super sleek. It's kind of heavy. I won't lie. It's heavier than the one that I currently own. I'll get into that like towards the end of the video. But yeah, so this is how it came. This is the color. I got it in the gold color. I'm gonna quickly go over like the specs and everything like that, the features. So this is the 13-inch MacBook Air. It has the Core Intel i5 with a 6 MB LC cache, turbo boost up to 3.5, 8 gigabytes of memory. So I didn't upgrade that, but I did choose the one that has the 512 gigabytes of SSD. So that's a step up from the one that I currently own. I believe the one that I currently own has 236. I'm not really sure, you guys. I will have it in the description box because I'll have to go back and double check that. But anyway, so yeah, it has headphone jack, stereo speakers, 2 Thunderbolt, 3 USB ports for support and high speed. It has Touch ID. It has a full-size backlit Magic Keyboard, installed Mac OS, and then it just says the size and the weight. So yeah, I really like the packaging. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this little tab right here. I really love that they have this like so easy to open. Ooh. To expose the actual box. It's kind of like matte. Alright. Now I would say that I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys that I got this color to step outside of my comfort zone. My old MacBook Air, it is silver. So let's pop this baby open and I'll tell you about that in a second. This is how it looks like. Woo! Oh no, man, we cannot drop this. Let me hold it with 2 hands. This is what it looks like, okay? I am not trying to drop my brand new MacBook Air on the floor, okay? This is, I feel like this is heavier than the one I currently own. I'm gonna set that off to the side. It comes with this little manual here, I'm guessing that is. Yeah, it's like a little manual. It comes, this is how it looks. It comes with a charging cord and a charging square, a little port or whatever. This is how it looks. Like I said, it does come in plastic and it's just very pretty color. Like I mentioned before, my old one is silver, so that's just what I like. I like the silver. It's just classy and elegant to me. But I thought I'd switch it up with this one. Instantly regretted it, but it's here now and it's actually really, really pretty. It doesn't even look like gold. I'm guessing this is like the rose gold kind of color. So taking it out of the plastic, you guys. And this is how she looks. Ooh, it's actually really pretty. So I'm not even mad at it for not being silver. All right, ooh. She's turning on. Has this little thing here to protect the screen. So let's peel this back. And it's actually turning on. Look at my light. Oh, so it's popping up like with the language settings. I'm so excited, I'm so excited, I'm so excited, I'm so excited.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
She's talking? She's talking. Okay. My old laptop don't talk, so we moving on up. It's basically just asking me to customize and everything like that. Like choose my state or my country. Okay, let me connect to the Wi-Fi. Alright, you guys, I have to go through like the whole Apple ID process and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up and then I'll be right back with you guys. And yeah, so I'm almost done with the setup process, but it's asking me to place my fingerprint on here, and I thought that was really cool, so I wanted to share that process with you guys. So it's this little button right here, this little black button, and it just says place your fingerprint. So I'm lifting and placing, lifting and placing, lifting and placing, kind of like, okay, now it's asking for the outer corner or edges of my finger. Touch ID is ready, so I can use Touch ID to unlock my MacBook and to also make like purchases and things like that if I'm ever ordering online. Now it's asking me to set up Apple Pay, but I'm just gonna fast forward. So while that's setting up, I want to talk to you guys about my old MacBook Air. Now, as you can see, this one was silver. This is my baby. It does have like a little overlay over it on top, which I'll probably get for this one as well because I really like that. So yeah, this is how she looks, and this is my baby. I'm probably still gonna use this one, but me and her, we had to part ways because we just weren't seeing eye to eye anymore. This one is like really old. I got this from a site called Newegg Books, and like just refurbished electronics and stuff like that. You can get it for like really low. So I purchased this like, I want to say maybe 3 years ago. I don't even know what year this one is, honestly, but I know that it's really old. And it looks way different compared to my new Mac, which I'm gonna try not to drop. But as you can see, this one is way bigger. This one is bigger. This one is lighter. And then there's more space on this one. Like, if you can tell, like the ratio from here to here is like very different. It has a bigger mouse pad versus this one. As you can see, it's kind of small. I'm still gonna use this one for like my business and stuff like that, but to edit my videos and to do my YouTube and all of that stuff, I'm gonna be using the newer MacBook because it has more space. And yeah, this one was really just driving me crazy with like not having enough space and just driving me crazy. Okay, so one other thing that I forgot to show you guys is the side, like this. So as you can see, it has like those two little slits there. It no longer has the traditional SD port also for the headphones. And yes, so that's different versus the traditional one. And then I also read somewhere that you'll have to get like this adapter piece to even be able to connect or download stuff, which is kind of annoying. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I've showed you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and customize it and everything like that. I won't be doing that on this video, but if you guys do want to see that, there are so many videos here on YouTube that show customization tricks and tips on how to get your MacBook really cute and to have that nice aesthetic. So I'm gonna take the time to edit mine. And yeah, so that just concludes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, and also check the description box because I'll link this baby in the description box, and also all of my social media information will be listed down below. Yeah, and thank you guys again so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I also hope that I will see you in my next one. Bye.